Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete data stored option on Chrome. So you can tap on three dot at the top of your screen and then you can go to the settings. Here you can try to scroll down and then try to search site settings. You can tap it, scroll down again, and here data stored. So you can tap it. So you can delete all the data here that contain your login information, or when you log in with a password to some site, for example, the website will save your data, your login data, so you can log in automatically in here. So you can delete all data if you don't need it anymore. Just click on this option and here we go. This will delete some megabyte of data and cookies stored by sites. You will be signed out of all sites. Any offline data will be deleted. Delete data effects and personalization is deleted. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.